I went from feeling stuck, bloated, and fatigued every single day to dropping over 15 pounds without diet, pills, extreme workouts, or starving myself. I'm Ryan. I help people over 40 get lean through diet and detox. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I did, what I ate, how I trained, and what I stopped doing that finally made the fat come off. Before all this, I was doing what most people over 40 do, trying to eat clean, even a mostly paleo style of diet for me. I tried cutting carbs, hitting the gym hard, and still wondering why my body just wouldn't change. And here's the craziest part. I've always been athletic, but after 40, something shifted in me. My metabolism just felt broken. I had cravings all day. I felt inflamed. My gut felt off and bloated. And mentally, I was in this fog that I just couldn't shake. I kept thinking, what's wrong with me? Why is nothing working anymore? I tried paleo, keto, calorie tracking, and every time I'd lose a few pounds and then I'd seem to gain it right back. The turning point was realizing this. My problem wasn't what I ate, it was how often I was eating. I was spiking insulin all day long. My body never had a chance to burn fat, and when I switched to OMAD, 1 meal a day, combined with a carnivore-ish, as I like to call it, approach to eating, everything started to change. I eat once a day, in the afternoon or early evening, mostly animal-based foods, steak, eggs, ghee, bacon, tallow, sometimes chicken or turkey, and sometimes low toxicity plants like avocado, lemon water, or blueberries. I may even have some onions or garlic from time to time and some other seasonings on my food as well. But most importantly, I stopped snacking. I stopped eating after 7 p.m. I finally gave my body time to actually burn fat between meals. OMAD simplified everything. No tracking, no calorie counting, no obsessing over food, just one big nutrient-dense meal that fuels my training and recovery. And as a side note, one big question I get is how can you eat that much food in one meal? And I'm going to talk about that in a future video. Here's why this method is so powerful, particularly for anyone over 40 like me. As we age, insulin sensitivity starts to drop, meaning every time you eat, your body becomes more likely to store fat. OMAD lowers insulin, gives your body time to actually burn fat, and helps repair your metabolism. Combine that with carnivore or keto, and you're going to crush inflammation and lose fat very quickly. And you give your body the metabolic reset that it needs. Now here's the truth. My workouts were only about 10% of my results. I still train jitsu, lift, mountain bike, but exercise isn't what burned the fat. I trained for strength, clarity, and stress relief, but not necessarily for the calorie burn. But what did help, if there was a secret weapon or a secret tool to accompany OMAD, walking. Walking 8 to 10,000 steps a day is incredibly beneficial for your fat loss. And just moving more throughout the day is going to give you tremendous benefits. And I use what I call movement snacks, little bursts of activity through the day, push-ups, squats, a quick walk, pull-ups, maybe even stretching. This keeps your metabolism active without crushing your body. And here's what made an even bigger difference for me. No late night snacking, no seed oils, no processed foods, and no liquid calories, particularly alcohol. And no artificial sweeteners or stevia for me. It seems to mess with my gut and causes brain fog. I keep it simple. Water, black coffee, electrolytes. I love carbonated water as well. The power here lies in the simplicity and the consistency in this way of eating. And I've been able to stay lean because OMAD and carnivore became a lifestyle for me. And here's something important to remember. Diet is not a religion. I still go out with my family, I still have OMAD days, and occasionally I have 2MAD days when I need them, especially after I do heavy training or multiple workouts in a day. And I still occasionally eat fruit, vegetables, and carbs. I know the carnivore police probably aren't going to like that, but it's okay. It's not cheating, it's adapting to what my body needs, and the goal here shouldn't be perfection. It's about momentum. One good day leads to another, and I know I can always switch back to an OMAD way of eating or a carnivore style of diet. If you're over 40 and you feel like your metabolism is stuck, OMAD might be for you. Stop eating all day long, keep your meals simple, focus on real food. Give your body time to do what it was designed to do. It's not easy at first, but the harder it feels, the closer you are to a breakthrough. And if you're just starting this journey and you want some more support, I built a free community called FL40. We have weekly coaching calls and accountability to help people stay consistent with OMAD, carnivore, and simple biohacking and detox practices for fat loss. I'm really excited about this community and I love interacting with people on there. Check out the link in the description and I'd love to see you on the inside. And don't go anywhere yet because I just wanted to give a huge thank you. At the time of this video, I'm over 2,000 subscribers now and I hope to keep growing. And I just want to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos. I hope that you enjoy them, and the best way that you can help this channel continue to grow and to pay me back is to hit that like and subscribe button and share this with somebody who needs it. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you, and I'll see you on the next video.